Hi, today I am coming to you with another video on my DIYs 2021 decorating trends on a budget, and this is going to be part 2. I will have part 1 link in the description box below, so if you want to see how I did it, keep watching. Here's another little DIY I did. I took everything off of it so you can see the shelf much better. This was an old shelf that was on its last leg. My husband brought this to me to see what can I do with it, and I did it. Okay, and here go another piece he brought me. It doesn't match, but I mean, it looked close enough. Look at that and look at the shelf. So it looks close enough. It looked like it's a set, but it's not. So I went on, and this was the same way. It was on its last leg. It's all dingy, paint fading. And so I went on and I did this as well and put the floor in it. The floor came from Home Co. Okay. And right here is a DIY that I did on the book, the decorative book. So I DIY'd that book there. And that is what that looking like. And here are some more books that I DIY'd. Okay, I don't have any footage on it. Okay, here is another DIY I did. It was like a gold. And I didn't want to trash them, so I went on and did a metallic silver, and I got 2 of these. Okay, here goes some more DIY. I just went on and set these on the table so you can see them much better. Here's the set that I did. And now this candlestick here, it was $12.99 for this part here. Because this is crystal, so I got a deal on that for $12.99. And I got, you know, these of course from the Dollar Tree, and I put the bling around each one of them. And the diamond came from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, here is a floral that I did. Guys, this vase was a mint green. Getting ready to throw this away. I was just gonna throw away a lot of stuff that day, just cleaning up. But then I decided to go ahead on and paint this metallic gold, and got these bling wrap from Amazon. Got these wrapped here from the Dollar Tree. And I went on and I got these floral from Walmart. So I purchased these here. This little bling and this little stem here all came from Walmart. And I think that turned out nicely. And also, I do have a video on this here. Junk to treasure. And so I went on, I was gonna throw this away, guys. But at the same time, I was looking for a gold candlestick. And as I get ready to toss it, I was stopped. And so I'm going, wow, I can spray paint this and use this since I couldn't find what I was looking for at the time. So anyway, that's what we have there. And so that's my DIY right here. Let's go on. Okay, here is another DIY. This came from Home Co as well. It was that old wood look. And I went on and I did this picture here, okay? And this is a print. Now right here is some more books that I DIY'd, okay? And here is my candle that I got from the Dollar Tree. It was, you know, glass, and I got 2 of those. So I went on and spray painted 2 of those. Okay, and here's another DIY I did. And this here was, oh gosh, I want to say this was from Homeco. And I just went on and put the bling around that. Okay, and here's another piece that I did. I did not do a video on this, but I did a video on the flowers, the leaves. I was going to throw the leaves away, and I did the vase DIY, did that little candle DIY, and here's one that I did from junk to treasure. And here are the leaves. They was green, and I painted these, and I used these on my fall decor. And right here in my china cabinet, there's the vase, not the vase, there's the tray, mirror tray that I did. Got the mirror from Michael's, and I put the diamonds around it and the bling wrap. And I just got that sitting right there. And here's another mirror tray that I did. I made 2 of them, and there's the vase that I did. Got that sitting right there. Okay, here's another DIY that I did. This was like a little Easter basket, and I went on and spray painted that and put the moss in it and put the flora that I got from Homeco in that. And on this curio here, this was a DIY. It was like a cherry wood, but at the time I wanted to take everything silver, couldn't find what I want. And this was actually during the pandemic. Well, we still in the pandemic. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for part 3 of my DIY 2021 decorating trend on a budget. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.